Okay, so I'm going to try the different tools, and it says scroll down to pick one photo option you would like to work with. And then if for some reason you click out of that, right, you can click on the different tools and we'll take you back to the website that I want you to focus on, or the part of the website that I want you to focus on. And then include the photo improvement option that you picked in your brief description. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on this, launch it, and again, if for some reason you click out of it, you just click up here to different tools and it gets you this site that I want you to work with. And so there's lots of different options. I could cut an image into pieces, make shapes, kaleidoscope, and you can keep going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace with white with transparent. So I'm going to click on this. And so here I have replace the intensity single color to create the first example of the rose on a transparent background is made of the following settings. So these are some settings that I can type in order to get that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, and I already have some images that I've saved to my download folder, and I'm going to work with this daisy because it's a simpler image and see what it does. So I'm going to click once on it. I'm going to open it. I'm going to leave these alone. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the color palette and pick a color. So this is the hex colors here. So I need these numbers to figure out what I want. And I think I'll do a turquoise. So I highlighted the hex number. I'm going to Control C to copy it. And then what do I do? Do I have to go back? Yeah. I think I have to go back. So I'm going to press back. My file is still loaded. And where it says here, I'm going to add a number. And then I'm just going to leave all of this alone. Instead of the background, replace the foreground. Ooh, we can try that next. Okay. So I'm going to press OK. Open the processed image. And there it is. That's cool. All right, I'm going to press back. And I'm going to get fancy, and I'm going to open that in a new tab. And then I'm going to press back again, and I'm going to do the opposite. Press OK. And open that guy in a new tab. Oh, so now I have that. And now I have that. Interesting. And you want to know what? They have a GIF creator. Maybe I'll turn this into a GIF. So I'm going to right click, save image as, and I'm going to name it flower 1. Let's see if we can do this, guys. I'm going to come here and right click, save image as, and name it flower 2. And then I'm going to come back here to different tools. Now I'm going to come down to the GIF creator and specify 30, up to 30 images. So I'm just going to do 2. But that's cool. You guys could do 30 different images. And let's see if my PNG will be allowed. I'm going to press open. And I'm going to get this other one. And now I'm going to 0.5 seconds. 0 is infinity. That's what I want. And I'm going to press OK and save. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so now what happens if can I copy this and paste it, and will it still be animated? I'm going to click here, do Control V. No. Okay. So let me come back. And if I save, open image in a new tab, I'm going to save image as, and flower. And it saves as a GIF. Cool. Okay. And I'm going to press save. And it should. So now over here, I have to do something a little bit different. So I am going to come up to insert image, uploading it from my computer since it's a GIF. And I need to be in my downloads folder, and I need to open up my GIF. How cool. All right. So for this website, I actually chose two different tools to work with. So over here it says include the photo improvement option that you picked in your brief description. And then there's the words delete, which means I can delete all this type here. And I would start off by saying, I'm going to go back to different tools because I've forgotten what I've done. And I would say that I started, so in my brief description, I would write, I started with the replacing white with transparent for different tools. And then after I created an inverse, right? Remember we did the positive and then the inverse. After I created the two images and saved them to my folder, I then opened up the GIF animation and created my GIF. So here I would say I actually used two different tools, one to replace my transparent background, and then the second was to actually create my GIF. So that's fun. Cool.